you're higher than the other females because you gossip like, oh my gosh, like you're so popular, oh my gosh, you're so popular, like, oh my gosh, I gossip so much. Okay, now, people, just shut up. Gossip just hurts people's feelings. Okay, just how when you talk about somebody, that's spreading rumors. Nobody likes rumors, okay? Just stop. Rumors are bad. You wouldn't want somebody to gossip about you because then you would have been like, oh, I know she ain't gossiping about me. Oh, I'm about this bitch. Okay. Calm yourself down. Just sit down, okay? Calm your ass down, okay? You're talking about other people. But then when somebody want to turn around and talk about you, you want to go off. Like, what are you accomplishing when you talk about somebody? It's karma, bitch. That's why karma is involved in this. Because when you talk about somebody, you're going to get something bad right back to you. People, what the hell? Gossip is just rumors about lies about people. Like, just stop gossiping. And stop. Girls, stop. Oh, I know she ain't with my man. Okay. There are plenty other men in the world. Girls thought they were the most ugliest dudes in the fucking history, dude. Just calm down, relax, take a chill pill, like, maybe take some Advil, go home, eat some popcorn and watch, I don't know, play basketball, go do something. People that gossip have no life. When you gossip, it's like you're not really accomplishing anything. You gossip hurts people. Truth be told, gossip hurts people. Like, that boy that killed himself because people kept on, bullying him, yeah. Gossip is peer pressure. Well, gossip is just, it's pressure to make somebody kill themselves. But, me, I don't gossip. Okay? I'm just a little itty bitty chipmunk. And I was like, seriously, but don't gossip, people. Gossip is bad. I mean, you wouldn't want somebody gossiping about you, so